from Taipei! Today I'm heading out to the Yanmingshan National Park. Me and some other friends are going to explore that. It's located north of Taipei, and yeah, it's supposed to be a really beautiful national park, so let's head out there. Taken a bus up to the national park, and now we're jumping on an even smaller bus to get to the final destination. And it's really foggy here. We're here and we're going to go to the first stop, Qingtiangang grassland. But it's quite foggy, so we'll see if we actually see anything. So the trail is actually closed due to the water buffaloes, and that they can be aggressive. So yep, we're heading to another place instead. We've found the aggressive water buffaloes. So it's a really beautiful trail, but I was not prepared for this weather. And I was much more prepared from here. Apparently we can see the Jinbao trail very clearly. So remember, when you're doing a trip to Yanmingshan, to bring your own packed lunch, as you won't find any food here in the national park. So yeah, bring your own packed lunch, remember that. We've come to the suspension bridge now, and you have to walk over it quickly because of the safety, and also only 10 people at a time. But it's a really cool bridge here, so we have to pass it to get to our next destination. We have arrived at the waterfall, and as we got lower in altitude, it's becoming a bit warmer. The clouds have still not cleared, but I was really not expecting it to be this cold this morning. Yeah, at the top it was really cold, so think about that if you're doing a hike in Yanmingshan, that bring a sweater or like a rain jacket, because at the top it can be quite cold even if it's summer. Yeah, so we're at the waterfall now, and yeah, I really enjoyed the national park. That concludes our time here in Yanmingshan, and I'll see you next time.